Did you know that if you put chopped lettuce in a baking dish, then add diced tomatoes, preferably very ripe ones? Also add grated carrot. Sprinkle some peas and corn on top. Add the cooked, shredded, and seasoned chicken. Then mix 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Squeeze in half a lemon. Add green onions, a teaspoon of oregano. Stir very well. Then add 200 ml of cream and stir again. Add this cream on top of the chicken and spread evenly. Then cover with straw potatoes and finish with cubes of cheese and a little oregano. You'll have a delicious salad that even the children will want to eat. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye bye.